Yoga is a science of union, connecting different parts of ourselves towards harmony and balance and the peace. Visualize the scale. When we want to balance and harmonize, we don't want to lean on too much on one side or too much on the other side. If we look too much on the sunrise, then we want to also remember that there is a sunset on the opposite side. So the key is to holistically embrace two opposites. And that leads towards the balance and harmony, just like a scale. In the morning, most of us would probably feel more heavy, sluggish, stagnant after some hours of all night long sleep. Then when we wake up in the morning, we don't really feel like I am really fully energized and full power. We need a bit of start. So if we are feeling slow and sluggish, in order to balance and harmonize our energies, life force, what we would need to bring in is the opposite quality. So if we are feeling slow and heavy, what we need is the dynamism, a little bit more fast pace, and that fire energy that activates and that removes those heavy and sluggishness. So that's why it is common and also it is helpful to energize our entire body to do some dynamic practice in the morning. So let us remember to bring the opposite quality to what we are actually feeling in the morning, to brighten up and harmonize and inspire. See you on the yoga mat for the practice together.